Hey guys, this is Jason with MuseGrid.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom icons to your Google Map 2.0. So in order to add a custom icon, we're just going to select the settings panel here, and we're going to collapse general settings and go down to markers. In the markers section, you'll see a field for custom icon. It's looking for a custom PNG file, and in our case we happen to include one for you in the downloads folder that you received when you downloaded this product. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that folder just so you can see a quick example of this in action, and then I'll show you how you can go download some or even make your own. So in this Google Maps 2.0 folder that you downloaded and expanded out, you'll see that there's a markers folder with one icon inside of it. It's a simple icon, but we're going to go ahead and select it anyway. So we're going to open this up. What you'll see is immediately on the map your icon will show up, which is great. Now, while this icon's pretty cool, you're probably going to want your own icon or maybe to choose your own. So one of the places that I like to find icons like this is on the website iconfinder.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for map pin, okay, oh, not pawn, pin, there we go, and hit enter. Now I already have an active filter because I've been using this site today on free because I'm just using this to generate some examples. You could certainly use premium, and I would certainly encourage you to maybe join their subscription or use their premium images and pins, but in this case I'm just simply going to use free. So I'm going to scroll down really quick, and I think this one's kind of cool. It's at least a little bit different, so I'm going to use it. But what I'm going to do is click on it, and at least in Icon Finder, I can actually pre-select the size that I want to download. And in my case, I think I'll go a little bit bigger this time and maybe go 48 by 48. So I've selected that, and then I can choose which one that I want. I'm just going to go with the PNG option, and I'm going to select that. So what you'll see is that it downloaded down here in my downloads section. So I'm going to go back to my map now, okay? And I'm going to select the settings panel, close down general settings, open up markers. I'm going to go to my icon, and I'm going to go to my downloads folder, which inside here is going to have this pin, which is right there. I think that's the right one, 48 by 48. There you go. I'm going to select that, and you'll see that immediately that this pin shows up. Now it's a little big maybe for this map, but I did that on purpose just for demonstration purposes. So you can make your own pins if you want. You know, all you just need is a PNG file. You can go to iconfinder.com, but those are two great ways that you can either create or that you can download a pin to match the needs of your Google Map.